Shallow and deep copy operations. Source code lib_copy.py. Assignment statements in Python do not copy objects. They create bindings between a target and an object. For collections that are mutable or contain mutable items, a copy is sometimes needed so one can change one copy without changing the other. This module provides generic shallow and deep copy operations explained below. Interface summary. Copy.copy x. Return a shallow copy of x. Copy.deep copy x. Memo. Return a deep copy of x. Exception copy.error. Raised for module specific errors. The difference between shallow and deep copying is only relevant for compound objects, objects that contain other objects like lists or class interface. A shallow copy constructs a new compound object and then, to the extent possible, inserts references into it to the objects found in the original. Deep copy constructs a new compound object and then recursively inserts copies into it of the objects found in the original. Two problems often exist with deep copy operation that don't exist with shallow copy operations. Recursive objects. Compound objects that directly or indirectly contain a reference to themselves may cause a recursive loop. Because deep copy copies everything, it may copy too much, such as data which is intended to be shared between copies. The deep copy function avoids these problems by keeping a memo dictionary of objects already copied during the current copying pass and letting user defined classes override the copying operation or the set of components copied. This module does not copy types like module, method, stack trace, stack frame, file, socket, window, or any similar types. It does copy functions and classes shallow and deeply by returning the original object unchanged. This is compatible with the way these are treated by the pickle module. Shallow copies of dictionaries can be made using dict.copy and of list by assigning a slice of the entire list. For example, copied list is equal to original list colon. Classes can use the same interfaces to control copying that they use to control pickling. See the description of module pickle for information on these methods. In fact, the copy module uses the registered pickle functions from the copy register module. In order for a class to define its own copy implementation, it can define special methods underscore copy underscore and deep copy method. The former is called to implement the shallow copy operation. No additional arguments are passed. The latter is called to implement the deep copy operation. It is passed one argument, the memo dictionary. If the underscore deep copy underscore implementation needs to make a deep copy of a component, it should call the deep copy function with the component as first argument and the memo dictionary as second argument. The memo dictionary should be treated as an opaque object. See also module pickle. Discussion of special methods used to support object state retrieval and restoration. Thank you.